Rick.
Hello guys, this is Bhanu Prakash, your software yogi, and today we will see level 1 of video recording tips in the wondershare filmora. Let's open the wondershare filmora. I have 14 version. I'm opening 14 version, and you can see there is widescreen option 16:9 and 9:16 it is a portrait option. You can click on the new project, and once you click on the no project it will open, and you can click on the media and you will have the import option. Now let's import to one video, so something like software yogi, and this is the video which is there in the media section. Now I will drag to the timeline section. You can use match to media or keep project settings. So I am using the match to media. So now the video is in the timeline. I need to cut the starting and ending of the video because the position should be correct. So that is why I'm just adjusting that. Starting I have corrected it, and I'm going to the ending part. So if you see the ending portions, yeah, this one I have corrected it. Okay, now I will change the brightness settings. If you see the brightness has been not much great, so let's select the video and go to the right side panel, click on the color, and in the drop down section you can see couple of options. You can change according to your comfort, whatever the video which you are editing. I am simply making some modifications because I want to expose the light, expose the brightness little bit, the contrast little bit. No contrast, I will increase it. Brightness also expose a little decrease, and highlight little bit, shadow little bit. All little bit changes will be sufficient, okay, because that will give you more good one. Yeah. So I think somewhat the brightness is fine for me. Now I will minimize it, and since the brightness changes, the lighting work has been done. Now I will remove the background. So this is the level 1 editing. Select the video, go to video section, and you can see mask and AI tools. I will use the AI tools and click on the AI portrait cutout so that it will remove. You can select quick cutout mode. I am selecting the quick cutout so that it will remove the background. So now I will only have the video with me, and then I can add any kind of background to it. So let's add some background to it. Now since I have added removed the background, I will move this video bit up so that I can have the background added in the below of the video. Now I will go to stock media option. If you see left side top corner, there is stock media option. Click on that. According to the topic, you can choose any background you want to. So my topic is related to software yoga. So now I will type software, and you will have some kind of backgrounds like this. So some any kind of background which you like, you can put it in the background like this. So the video length is 48 seconds. So that is why I wanted to have this background properly to the entire, because in the 48 seconds YouTube will make it as a short video. So for short video it is a portrait, that is 9:16. That is why I have stretched the background so that it will cover the entire section. So one background I have put it like this, it will come for till this section. And if I wanted to add one more background, I can choose something like anything which is of my choice, and I will keep it in the track. Now it is being downloaded and getting added to the timeline. And once it is added, I will again double click on it and drag to the towards the right, and the bottom one also towards left. I will drag little bit so that that becomes my background. And then I will choose another background, something like this. If I wanted to keep the same background for the entire video, it's up to your choice. So I want a different background, so that is why I have selected this thing. I double click so that it will the background gets selected, so that I can extract like this, and I will select one more. So there are many options are there, so that is why I'm selecting multiple background so that user will feel, whoever watching the video, they will feel good and comfortable and watching. And I have still option is there, so I will use this video background. So, and it is still downloading the country. Yes, it is there. Now we'll select double click on it and again drag to the towards right, drag to towards left. And then everything is set up now. Now the extra post, if you see here, the extra post should not be there. That is why I just adjusted according to the clip. And now I am minimizing the clip section duration. And I can say this is the full editing is happen completed for the background, and now I will add a title. So if you want to add the title, you click on the title section. There are multiple options are available. I frequently take this comic because it is looking good for me. Any other title if you want to add, you can add according to your choice. So now I have added the title to the entire section, but it is not in the right position, so I will drag and put it in the top. And the title name also you can modify by going to the right side section, click on that text and remove this section, and you can put any title you want to. So since I am going to mention as software yogi, that's what I have, and then you can align according to your requirement. So if the size, if you feel that size is not setting up properly, you can adjust the size settings by modifying here. So I put it as 80. So that is why software yogi name is properly fit into the screen. Now the video editing is completed. But if you still wanted to do some more effects, there are many options out there, but we will see those options in the upcoming videos. Now you can click on the export button. If you click on the export button, again it will ask for the thumbnail. You can click on the edit so that it will select any of the thumbnail which is present already from the video. If you do not like any of the existing thumbnail, you can create one by clicking on the edit button, which is present here. If you click on the edit button, it will give a choice to modify according to the your requirement. So I don't want to modify any changes, so I will click on the save, and then it will automatically came up to this screen. Now I will remove the name and put a name relevant to the video, and I click on the export. So now within a minute or two, it will create and it will export the video in MP4 format, and then you can upload this MP4 format video to your social media channels. It can be YouTube or Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or any other choice you want. Thank you.